Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger, and this is our second vlog. If you haven't saw our first vlog, the link is coming on up. You can check that video from there. So on this vlog we're gonna show you some special moments, some special thing. And on this vlog we have one special friend with us. I'm gonna show you. Sumesh.
So hello everyone, today we will be going to visit the Andaman's second highest peak. As you can see that's Mount Harriet. The weather is also very nice, very adorable, extremely cool, and it's very nice. So let's start this video. Okay.
Now we are heading towards the Mount Harriet through road. It is the National Highway of Andaman and Nicobar Island NH43. There are two ways to go to Mount Harriet. First is through vehicle way, which is as displacement, and this is a long way, and this is the lane which we are going, and the road is not too nice. Currently the road is good, but after that we cannot speak.
At some places the roads are very good, but in some places the condition is pathetic.
So now we are going. So now you're gonna. That.
Now Sumesh is going to take the flyby of this car and see.
Please hit like for this moment, please.
Now the cameraman is coming. See.
Sumesh, the shot was good.
How was the video?
Very nice, very nice. Incredible.
What happened, Sumesh?
Veg
Basically,
biryani.
this is ready-made things which I don't like. Thanks to Sumesh for sponsoring our this YouTube video. Okay, now we are gonna head to that shop and we will take some hot water, as this is a ready-made thing. I don't like this. I'm gonna eating the Andaman's most famous samosa and tea. Let's see.
Okay, so the weather is making the moment. As you can see, it's very, very incredible. Oh, it's raining. Camera will get wet. The beauty of Andaman is exceptional. Actually, the problem is in Andaman, the development is not sustainable. Like, people are selling things, but they do not know the value of such beautiful scenes, the trees, forest, the biodiversity and all. As you can see how beautiful it is. There are many unexplored places in Andaman that are off limits to the normal people. So those places should be unexplored and only visited by nature lovers only, because if the government officials visit that place, they will turn that into normal land available for commercial purpose, and slowly the biodiversity of the islands is also diminishing. And that's it. We should take care of what we have, and we have to preserve everything. Okay, talks ahead. We have to go to that mountain. Right
See
there.
the clouds on there.
See the
Stones.
clouds there. So we are at Bamboo Flat, and from there we came that place, that is Port Blair. And while we go back, we'll be going through this vehicle ferry. And yeah, our destination is right behind this. Like, we'll go further, and from there it is visible. Yeah, so let's go.
The ferry. See, he's making vlogs and see.
Yeah.
See, that's the ferry, and that's our car, and he is making the vlog. And see, time to go there. See, that's going. As you can see, this ship's name is MV Ramanuja, and this ship was discarded long back, and the local fishermen bought this ship. And see the condition of this ship. The trees are coming out from.
It's very old, very old.
Very old, even older
Ancient
than
ship.
us.
Ancient ship. Okay, so this is the ship Nankauri. So this ship goes to all the islands of all the far away islands of Andaman and Nicobar group of islands.
Pause करो, हटाओ, हम बोलता रहो. As you can see, this is a government ship. The name of this ship, as you can see, Nankauri. This is the most biggest ship currently in Andaman we have. Further information you can take from Sumesh.
Okay, so this island, this ship actually, not island, it goes to all the different islands of Andaman and Nicobar, like the far away ones. The southernmost part is Campbell Bay and Great Nicobar Islands. It's like 300 kilometers away from this Port Blair, and this ship takes us there along with few others.
And this is totally manual ship, and there is no automatic options in the new ships which are coming are all automatic ships.
And I want to show you guys actual Andaman and Nicobar Island. Why Andaman is so famous? How many vehicle ferries are there? How many ships, small boats, fishing boats, industries, mountains, islands, network towers, cranes. This is what our Andaman is. I think no YouTuber can show
And you will see the beauty of Andaman in a few more minutes on top of
We have
Mount
to
Harriet.
carry on this road only.
Okay. So, folks, I request whoever comes to this place, please do not litter. The beauty of the place is valued, highly valuable, and once people start littering here, that beauty will diminish, and you won't be able to see the beauty of Mount Harriet once again.
This is 20 rupees note, as you can see, Indian rupees, and you can see a drawing here, a picture here. 20 rupees. You may live in Kashmir, Delhi. You see your 20 rupees note. There is a picture here.
Right.
I want to show that picture in real life.
Exactly the same.
I want to show you the lighthouse, the island.
So guys, we have reached Mount Harriet. We are completing the form filling here. We have to give the license and all. The environment is very cool and placid. See, it's a different experience to visit such places in Andaman. There's not only one. This is one among the many which are like this. Battery is low. Lots and lots of problem.
करंट तो नहीं मारेगा ना?
नहीं मारे यार 12 वोल्ट है कुछ
हुआ See, we are in jungle. How beautiful is this sea? See how much natural this thing looks. See here, see it is.
And now we are going to take some good cinematics.
Yes, with that camera.
Wow, this is heaven-like experience. Heaven-like experience. But my camera's battery is down, so I have to preserve it. Yeah.
See, I think you can't see the visibility of this GoPro. I don't know, but there is a lot of clouds, cloud shades. There is a lot of clouds. It's like morning 6 a.m. and we are in a very top elevation, very top. This is the second highest mountain in Andaman. I don't know how much height this mountain is. What? 762 meter. Okay, 762 meter up from the sea level. And yeah, this is our new mobile phone. It has 64 megapixel camera. We are gonna show some cinematics from this camera, so hit like for that too. And you can follow us on our Instagram. We will upload behind the scenes also. Sumesh, behind the scenes. Sure. Canon, Redmi, GoPro, and what else you need?
Samsung.
And we have Samsung also. Okay. So yeah, we have to go. Still 2 kilometers left. Let's continue our journey. Mirrorless DSLR. Let's continue our journey.
DSLR versus action camera.
Mirrorless DSLR. Let's continue our journey.
DSLR versus action camera. Wow. This is.
तुम ऐसी रहो. तुम्हारा तगड़ा फोटो आता है. ऊपर देखो तुम ऊपर.
Now we are in this jungle, so isolated from different place. But where we used to be? Where?
And the forest is full of leeches, as we said, and he's desperately trying to get that off. The environment is phenomenal. Like, I cannot explain this feeling. You should be in person to experience this. And to destroy that, you have got lots and lots of leeches, but I ain't afraid of it. And as you can see, the clouds are flowing like water, and for that matter, I am witnessing it for the very first time. Wow. And this is the bungalow of a British, some sort of colonel or like general or something, and I cannot explain the words. I do not get the words to explain this beauty. Okay, let's proceed further.
Subscribe to the car trigger.
हाँ, जंगल में सब.
See our cameraman running in front of us. Hello.
So we have finally reached our destination, Mount Harriet. That destination we shown you on the first part of the video. If you come here, what you will see this nature, little park. That is Nicobar Hut. We will show you. This is what you can go up there. You can take lots of view from the capture.
Japanese bunker.
And if you will go there, there is a what
Trekking.
and you in there
Trekking
is
arrangement.
yeah, and there is lot of clouds also. Now timing is not good. After 1 hour, after one hour, there will be clouds that we can touch from our hands.
See, this is the Japanese bunker, 360-degree rotating bunker. It is so ancient, and see, Japan had a lot of technology at that time also, but still.
The Mount Harriet. This is not my first time. This is my third time basically. You come to Andaman Nicobar Island, you see this type of huts. You can take a drink. You can take a tea. This is Nicobar's hut. So Andaman is not Andaman Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Nicobar is different island, and if you go Nicobar, basically we can't go Nicobar, you need special permission. This is Nicobar's hut, Nicobari's hut.
And there we have something called Kalapathar trekking area. You have a path leading through the Blackstone. You have a path leading through the forest, and it's very nice for Blooper.
I don't know you guys can see or not, but actually there is a lot of clouds. It's actually a smoke. I used to think clouds, we can sleep on clouds. Clouds used to be so different, but actually it's a smoke. You don't know, might be this camera can't record that smoke, but actually there is a lot of clouds. This is what Mount Harriet is all about, guys. Sumesh, what you doing?
So you can see these are small residential areas temporarily set up to host, means for foreigners or tourists to stay here. The cost is unknown.
Now it's closed due to coronavirus.
Yeah, due to the ongoing pandemic it is closed, but the beauty doesn't stop with coronavirus.
This guy has a main weapon, DSLR camera. He's gonna show you now that place. See, actually I want to show you. Wait, I will show you one thing. Oh God, I'm scared. Okay, from here I can't see from our naked eyes. You can see from here Havelock Island. From here you can see Neil Island. From here you can see a view of one more island, Sir Hugh-Ross. And here is a North Bay, just ocean, Bay of Bengal, just a plain ocean, and there's a lot of clouds here, lot of smoke. That is island. In this camera GoPro Hero 7 I can't show you. I will request Sumesh.
This is the viewpoint out here. Viewpoint on top of the mountain, like it's the ending of Mount Harriet. And see, this is the place.
Hello. Actually I want to show you guys. The view of Havelock Island, Neil Island, Sir Hugh-Ross and North Bay.
See, there's the Havelock Island. And see the clouds. That is unbelievable. And see the that's the North Bay, and then Neil Island. So we'll be showing you the zoom view of all of that in a second.
वीडियो भी लेते ठीक है वीडियो लेते हैं वीडियो चालू
Okay, so we have finally reached on the boat. Luckily, it was about to leave. It's a mess all around here. सीधा 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 तेरा बैग क्या था लोग बैठो बैठो So that is it for today, guys.
We hope really.
So that So that is it for today, guys. We hope you liked this video, enjoyed a lot, enjoyed with us.
We really hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Please help us reaching 1,000 subscribers. We have just 700 subscribers.
And comment down what you'd like to see in next video.
In future, and please you can watch our first video also on that iCard button. It's coming maybe.
Okay.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel.
The Car Trigger.
See me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round.